From this video, we are going to learn about Section 80 EEA, which is described under Chapter 6A of Income Tax Act 1961. From this video, we are going to learn 3 points. First point talks about what is Section 80 EEA, and second point talks about what are the conditions to avail deduction under this section, and third point talks about what is the amount of deduction an assessee can claim under this Section 80 EEA. Coming to the first point, what is Section EEA? This section talks about deduction on interest on a residential property loan. That means if you have taken any loan for purchase of residential property or construction of residential house property from bank or any financial institution, and if you are paying interest, then the part of the amount or total of the interest amount whatever you are paying will be allowed as deduction if some conditions are qualified. Then let's see what are the conditions. So coming to the conditions, first condition talks about it is eligible only for the individual. That means if you are a company or AOP or any firm, you can't avail this deduction. Only individual can avail this deduction. See the next condition, loan should be taken from any bank or any financial institution. And see the third condition, loan should be taken during the period of 1/4/2019 to 31/3/2020. Why? Because we have another deduction section that is 80 EE that should be taken in the between of 1/4/2016 to 31/3/2017. If the loan is taken for the same purpose, if the loan is taken in this period, then the deduction amount available is 50,000. But this section is an amendment given by the government by the objective of housing for all, so that with the low cost of budget, everyone will have their own house property. Now coming to the next condition, SSC shouldn't have any own residential house property at the date of taking loan. Why? Because this section or this deduction is for the persons who don't have any residential house property. To at a low cost to purchase a house property or to construct a house property, this deduction is given. That's why at the date of taking this loan, the person, that means individual, shouldn't have any own residential house property. If he is having, then this deduction is not available for that person. And see the last condition, the stamp duty value shouldn't exceed 45 lakhs. What is the stamp duty value? Means the value which is fixed by the government. If these conditions are satisfied, then the SSC, the person who is an individual, can avail deduction under Section 80 EEA. Then let's see what is the amount of deduction. Under these provisions, SSC can claim an additional benefit of up to 1,50,000 per year apart from the Section 24B. What is this Section 24B? It is covering under the head income from house property. If he has taken any loan for the construction, purchase, reconstruction, repair of the residential house property, then a maximum of 2 lakhs will be allowed as deduction. So apart from that 2 lakhs, an SSC can claim another additional amount per year, that is the limit is 1,50,000. Up to 1,50,000 he can avail deduction under Section 80 EEA apart from Section 24B, which is described under income from house property. So now the conclusion part is, if an SSC is taking any loan for construction or repair or reconstruction or purchase of residential house property and he is paying the interest amount, the interest amount will be allowed as deduction. How much is the limit? Means under Section 80 EEA he can claim 1,50,000. Under Section 24B he can claim 2 lakhs. That means total 3,50,000 he can claim as deduction under these sections. I think you understood the concept. If you like my way of explanation, please like and subscribe my channel.